I've been waiting way too long. Yeah, I've been down here trying to get it. Yeah, I've been waiting way too long.
All right, this is the video for geometry section 5.5, using inequalities in a triangle. So there's three theorems we need to know here. The first one is if one side of a triangle is longer than another side, then the angle opposite the longer side is larger than the angle opposite the shorter side. So if we look at triangle ABC here, we can see that BC is the longest side, which means that angle A should be larger than angle B and C. So if I were to list these angles in order from greatest to least, it would be angle A, and then it would be angle B, and then it would be angle C. Why? Because the sides opposite them go in that order, greatest to least. So BC is greater than AC, which is greater than AB. So again, angle A is greater than angle B, which is greater than angle C. The converse is also true. If one angle of a triangle is larger than another angle, then the side opposite the larger angle is longer than the side opposite the smaller angle. So here, angle D is the largest angle at 115. So side EF should be greater than side DE, which will be greater than side DF. And those, remember, when I just put the letters next to each other like that, that represents distance. So I'm saying that the distances are in order from greatest to least. So you're looking at the angle and the opposite side. So if we look at GeoGebra, right now, the largest angle is angle C, and also BA is the longest side. And no matter where I move this, that's still going to be true. So if angle B is now the largest angle, then now AC is the longest side. So you see AC is bigger than CB, and CB is the next largest, which means angle A is the next largest angle, and that does indeed hold true. The triangle inequality theorem says the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. So in this picture, I'm going to do BA plus CB, which is 7.6 plus 6.9, which is 14.5. Is that larger than the third side, which is AC? Yes, AC is 5.9. So this is true. And again, it's any two sides, when you add them, has to be greater than whatever the third is. So if you look at this triangle, the smallest sides are AC and CB. So those added up need to be bigger than BA. So let's see if that holds true. 5.9 plus 6.9 needs to be greater than 7.6. And of course, we can see that that's true because 6 plus 5 is 11. So yes, that is true. So we use the triangle inequality theorem to determine if three lengths could make a triangle. So let's say I have 3, 5, and 4. So when I add up any two of these sides, they need to be bigger than the third. So is 3 plus 5 bigger than 4? Yes. Is 5 plus 4 bigger than 3? Yes. And is 4 plus 3 bigger than 5? Yes. So this is a triangle. Yes, that is a triangle. What about the side lengths of 3, 7, and 2? So if I add 3 plus 7, is 3 plus 7 greater than 2? Yes. Is 7 plus 2 greater than 3? Yes. Is 3 plus 2 greater than 7? No, it is not. So this would not be a triangle. Now, the easiest way to do this without having to do all three like this is to add the two smaller sides and see if their sum is larger than the longest side. So the two smaller numbers have to add up to be bigger than the third number. So because 2 plus 3 is 5, and that's not bigger than 7, those three values for lengths of a side of a triangle would not actually make a triangle.